Robots take over more and more of our everyday tasks. They work in factories, logistics, and agriculture. But why don't we see them performing actual jobs in healthcare yet? Why aren't there any autonomous robots to help nursing staff with everyday service tasks? It's mainly because human environments are human. We move our furniture around, change our lighting, and admittedly, we sometimes make a mess. Plus, we communicate in ambiguous ways. A service robot has to be able to make sense of this all in order to do its job, making the development of this robot rather challenging. At Eindhoven University of Technology, we're up for this challenge. And our service robot, Hero, is among the best in the world. That's primarily because we've given it situational awareness. All its sensory input is combined into a central world model, helping Hero understand how to identify a table, where to find it, and what properties can be assigned to this object. All in real time and with updates from sensory input, making sure your drink doesn't end up in your lap. We don't claim to be fully there yet, but it won't be long before our robot serves you your drinks.
Here's your